Hello everyone, welcome back to our Lean ISO channel. In our last video, we discussed trends in process performance and product conformity. If you missed it, check the link below. Today, we'll focus on trends in nonconformities and corrective actions, a core input to the management review under Clause 9.3.2. The following videos will dig deeper into how the nonconformity and corrective action processes should work. But right now, let's stick to what matters for reporting. If you're new here, please subscribe so you're the first to see what's next. Stick with me because in the end, I'll show you how to get a free copy of my book, ISO Management Systems, The Lean Revolution. While reporting nonconformities and corrective actions appears to be a no-brainer, many companies generate useless data. Trends on the number of NCs and actions from last month, quarter, or year. But let me ask you, what does that data tell you? The answer is nothing. These trends are not actionable. Regretfully, more often than not, I see management review records flooded with precisely these kinds of charts. So, what nonconformity data may be actionable and of value to the business? Here are just a few examples that make sense. Repeat nonconformities by the root cause, symptom, process, or category, showing systemic issues and where they occur. These trends help prioritize which areas need attention. High-risk nonconformities tied to safety, compliance, or major cost impact. Even rare, they deserve focus. Nonconformities by area. A persistent trouble spot, such as an incoming inspection or a specific supplier, may point to deeper process issues or weak upstream controls. Now let's move on to corrective actions. Many companies report the number of openings and closings, and they stop there. What they rarely track and understand are the root causes and effectiveness of the actions. Let's look at a few beneficial action trends. Corrective actions by root cause. This trend shows whether actions deal with the same causes, training, procedures, design, etc. This helps prioritize system improvement opportunities and resource allocation. Repeat issues. This trend shows whether the same or similar nonconformity recurred after the action was completed and closed. This information drives a review of the action's effectiveness. Aging. How many corrective actions were closed on time, and what were the causes of delays? In short, corrective actions should drive change. If they don't result in improvement, you're wasting time. Consider starting with the corrective actions versus root cause trend. You will be amazed by the wealth of information you will discover. Good luck. Let's wrap up with a few key takeaways. Don't watch nonconformities by month. Trend them by root cause or by system area. Focus on repeat issues. That's where the real risk lives. Trend corrective actions by root cause, not by numbers. Measure action effectiveness, not just closure. Use nonconformity and action data to drive system improvement, not just to feed reports. As always, check out the free resources on our website. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need help with your management system. Leave me a comment on how you trend your nonconformities and actions, and I will send you a link to my free ebook. Please support our project by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Thanks for watching, and until next time.